Good morning, children. I hope you have learnt lot of learning work in spelling. See that you learn all this. Okay. Now with this, we have finished our chapter lesson number 12, Great National Leaders and Their Achievement. Now come to page number 92. We'll finish the back exercise. Yes, and learn this also. This is your homework. Why you like Gandhiji is called the father of the nation. Nehruji was the first prime minister of India. This can come as fill in the blanks as well as complete the sentences. Though we have few fill in the blanks over here, but this also you have to learn. Okay. Now come to multiple choice question. Choose the correct option to answer the following questions correctly. Gandhiji went to South Africa as a lawyer. A, B, C. From the three, you have to choose one. So we put a tick on 1893. Gandhiji went to South Africa as a lawyer in 1893. Who was the first Prime Minister of India? Nehruji. Put a tick on Nehruji. Who was known as Lokmanya? From the three, you'll have to choose one. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. It's all very easy. We have learned, we have revised it. You have also read the lesson. Rani Gaidunillu led a revolt against British rule at the age of 13. Yes. So now we come. This also we will be writing in our classwork notebook. You'll get it in your worksheet. Yes. So write in brief about Gandhiji's contribution to Indians' independence. Yes. One we will be doing. Then who is the known as the Nightingale of India? Number 2 we'll be doing. And in this we'll be doing the short note on Lokman Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Subhash Chandra Bose, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Yes, now we come to true and false. Gandhiji believed in simple living and high thinking. True. Put a tick. Put a right. Sardar Patel's commitment to the national integration was unparalleled. True. Put a right tick. Tilak gave the famous slogan Jai Hind. Wrong. Wrong. That way, who gave the slogan of Jai Hind? It was Subhash Chandra Bose. Subhash Chandra Bose. Here it is written Tilak. So this is wrong. We have to answer true and false. Aruna Saif Ali took part in civil disobedience movement. Right. Put a right tick. Yes. So now fill in the blanks with the help of the words given in the help box. Your words are given in the help box. Here we have to choose and write down. Gandhiji gave us the message of non-violence. Here non-violence. Nehru's birthday is celebrated as the Children's Day. Children's Day. Subhash Chandra Bose raised the Azad Hind Fauj. What slogan did he this thing gave? Azad Hind Fauj. Dash. So Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was the principal architect of the Constitution of India. Now we come to match the following. Match column A with column B. Gandhiji's method of struggle was Satyagraha. Bal Gangadhar Tilak was a radical leader. Sardar Patel was known as the Iron Man of India. The Mazdoor Sabha was founded by Ganesh Shankar Vidyarthi. Turn to next page number 94. Yes, now there is one very important question which you should know. Mention any two reasons why English continued to be used in India after independence. Yes, we all speak in English. Our lessons, our subject, everything is in English. Now what is the reason? The British already left from here, but still we are still using English as our language. What can be the reason? One reason is that South Indian state expressed strong opposition to Hindi. Who expressed opposition? They opposed, they objected. They said no, we don't want Hindi, we want only English. So it means this. So which was that state? South Indian state expressed strong opposition to Hindi. Yes, strong objection. Now, and second part is that English is used for higher education, like medicines, law, engineering. So, for this purpose, English is also very necessary. Third point is that mm, uh, our main language of Supreme Court is in English. In court, when you go, so which is the main language they say, they speak, they write? It is language of Supreme Court also. Yes. So now you know why English is important. It continued to be used in India after independence. Who used to speak English? The Britishers used to speak English. They already left, but we still continued speaking English because of two, three reasons. South Indian state expressed strong opposition to Hindi, and English is used for higher education also, like medicines, law, engineering, and our language in Supreme Court is English. Yes, this is a very important general knowledge kind of a question. Yes, children. So now with this we finished our lesson, and see that you sit and learn. There's a lot of learning work. See, lot of learning work to be done here also. See, on this can be used as fill in the blanks, match, and complete the sentence. Yes, in this also, see, you are told to learn five words every day. Five words. When you learn, you will know the meaning, because it is very necessary that you know the meaning of all these words. When you know the meaning, then only you can understand the lesson. Okay, with this we've completed our lesson. Okay, till then you continue with your learning work and complete your back exercise and prepare yourself with the short notes. Okay, you will get from me also, but you also start learning. Okay, children, so you can have a good day and start learning. Okay, and remain safe.